March the 4th, and it's a bloody day. It's actually gotten better. It's about gonna be 9 o'clock in 4 minutes, and let me tell you something. As soon as the market opened at 6:30 Pacific time, oh my god, it was just red, and not only that, my investment right here was like at the 600s. So it was horrible. I was down like $600. Um, but you know what? We have a lot of option contracts, and normally I'm hoping to see this back to over 2 grand. I mean, we're showing 93 right now, 900 and change, because of everything I have out here. And what's crazy is, um, the only one that's helping me out right now is the SPY ticker, because this thing, oh gosh, it was horrible. So for example, here's the opening. It was down 5%, and then it just dropped. I mean, it was dropped to 378. And honestly, I personally have not seen SPY drop this much, which is insane. So at this point, I was down a lot. And as you can see here, and just in the last hour, it just starting to pick up again. And I'm hoping it goes back at least. I mean, I have 5 contracts open right now. So right now, the total return is today's is $56, but I'm still down 239. I mean, it keeps moving. So my only value I have for this 5 contracts is $600 right now, and it's not good. So I'm hoping that this hits at least. If it could go back to 390, I know I'm probably pushing it. Even 387, I'll be happy. We should see this number kind of double or triple. I mean, because I even got some calls here that it was gonna go over 384. See that? I bought this when there was a dip, on March. Actually, when did I buy this one? All right, so we bought this one 20 hours ago. So here we go. Just to be exact, we bought this on March 3rd at 5 minutes before the closing of the market. So I remember, so I bought it for 292. It was horrible. So now this one's the only one that's, I think, making money, because remember, this one was predicting that it's gonna go over 384 by March 8th. So this one I could probably hold on until next week, and hopefully it continues to go high. But anyways, this is where we at right now. It's not that great. That was just horrible. Now if we go back, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have eight contracts open, and honestly, it's my fault for the fact that I should not be holding so many open contracts. And if you could see, majority of them are all calls, meaning that the market was going to go up, and of course it has not gone up. So, and another issue I had is majority of all these expire March 5th, which is tomorrow. So moving forward, and this is something you learn as you continue to do this. You learn from your mistakes. So I'm hoping to next time, if I'm gonna do weeklies, I'm gonna buy them on Monday, the beginning of the week, and then go from there. But then I'm not gonna buy like a day before, that is gonna expire the following day. So I need to at least hold them for a week or two in advance, and I'm gonna try. That's the key. Try to at least have at least 3 contracts open at a time. Because having all these is, I mean, you can see. I'm not doing great. Look at this right here. At 720, I was down $606. That's for almost 49% of my whole investment portfolio. So not that great. What we need for this to go back up, and if you see the news, it's just not my account. It's all across the board. I need Uber to hit. Where are we? 56 and 50 cents. Or if you could hit 57, I'm good. As long as I break even, I'm okay with that. We have Target that I need this to hit 180. Target 180. And we have Twitter that needs to hit. Do I have a Twitter? I thought I had Twitter. Anyways, and then Neo needs to go up. At least it's been in a downtrend, and it needs to go all the way up to at least. If it could go up to at least 47, this call right here. I mean, as you can see, I got 2 contracts. Even if it goes past 44, I'll get some money back. But if it goes back to 40, at least in the 47, 50s, I'll be good. I even bought some stocks. I bought two shares here. So as you can see, I'm currently down. And then we have this Moran. Let me see. This one right here. This one I have no hope for. Moderna has to hit 180 or 160. I mean, as you can see right now, it's at 134, and it was horrible because I'm down $360 on this one. Remember when I bought that contract? I mean, we were just 50 cents off from hitting that 160, and it just took a dive. So that's not that great. Oh, and then DraftKings. If you recall yesterday's video, I was losing a lot of money, and it was up in the 70s. I think it hit 72s or something like that. Let me see where I could find it. See, so it's here. It's yesterday at the opening market at 6:40 a.m. It was at $70. I was like, "There's no way I'm gonna lose money on this." And guess what, guys? It dropped. It dropped all the way down to as right now. I mean, it dropped even at $62. So I mean, that's over $8. So the good thing is I got my money back. Remember the contract we bought for March 1st for $264, predicting that it was gonna drop to 65. At that time it was almost 70. Well, it dropped, and I was able to recoup some of my money back. So I bought it for $264 and sold it for $336. So I just made like $70-$80, whatever. I'm just happy I didn't lose in this DraftKings. So gotta get rid of that one next. And then we have and that's my SPY. I mean, my SPY this needs to hit. Come on, I need this to go back to at least 390, and it's possible. I mean, it was down earlier today. Remember, it was down at 378, so it's possible to go up. Other than that, I mean, you're not always gonna have a winning day. So this is just how it goes. So that's why always only invest what you're able to afford to lose. So, all right. So it's about 9 o'clock, 9:05, and we're gonna end the video here, and hopefully tomorrow all this will go green, and I have some better numbers for you guys. But it is what it is. Alright guys, if you haven't already, hit the like and hit the subscribe button. It helps this channel a lot. And thanks for your support.